actually blocks the camera.
Yeah, it has a thing.
Alright, this is black powder. Okay?
That's black powder?
Yep, and this is smokeless powder.
What's the difference?
Well, black powder is a mechanical propellant, where black powder is smokeless is a chemical propellant. Black powder is a mechanical.
Why are you doing that little line?
Just see what it does. Alright, get back.
Get back. No fire. You like holding my ears. Whoa. The one on the left takes a really
There you have it, folks. That's the difference between smokeless powder and black powder. Thank you for watching the video of Stevia Smart Y.